Have you ever felt there's more to reality than meets the eye? Imagine for a moment that your intuition, your gut feeling, isn't just random but a powerful guide waiting to be fully awakened. The third eye, often called the gateway to higher consciousness, offers just that, an enhanced perception beyond our five senses, one that's been revered for centuries by mystics and spiritual seekers alike. But what if opening this hidden sense didn't take years of meditation or mystical training? What if you could start tapping into this power today? Many people live their lives sensing only the surface of things, unaware that their pineal gland, the physical, third eye, nestled deep in the brain, holds untapped potential. When activated, this tiny gland can shift your awareness, giving you access to insights, heightened intuition, and an enriched view of the world. In a world buzzing with distractions, wouldn't it be something to feel a sense of clarity and focus that guides you from within? That's the hidden promise of the third eye, and activating it can bring clarity to your everyday life and empower your spiritual journey. If you're intrigued by the thought of awakening this inner sight, you're not alone. You don't need years of practice or exotic rituals to start seeing the benefits. Just a few simple steps, some of which may surprise you, can help you begin unlocking this extraordinary sense. Ready to dive into the process of opening your third eye instantly? Let's get started on this journey that could change how you perceive life itself. 1. The third eye and its power. Somewhere between what we see and what we sense lies the mysterious third eye, a powerful, hidden tool that ancient cultures around the world believed could unlock levels of awareness beyond the physical. This third eye, nestled within our brain's pineal gland, is said to be the seat of intuition, offering glimpses into realms unseen by our everyday senses. From ancient Egypt to Eastern spirituality, the third eye has been revered as a doorway to spiritual vision, insight, and a bridge to higher consciousness. It isn't just mystical, activating it can spark a shift that touches all corners of our lives, from emotional well-being to the clarity of purpose. The pineal gland, often called the seat of the soul, may seem like a biological curiosity, but for those seeking to open their third eye, it's anything but ordinary. Science tells us this tiny gland is responsible for regulating our sleep cycles, producing melatonin, and keeping our biological rhythm in tune. But many believe it serves an even more profound role as the physical anchor of our third eye, tying the body to the spirit. When activated, this hidden sense can sharpen intuition, turning your gut feelings into almost a sixth sense. Imagine navigating life with a heightened awareness of what's beneath the surface, sensing energy and insights that most overlook. Opening your third eye and activating the pineal gland doesn't have to be a far-off goal. With the right practices, it's within reach. Imagine what it's like to tap into that deeper layer of awareness, where you perceive things beyond words or logic. For those who feel drawn to this inner journey, the path can start with subtle signs, tingling in the forehead, vivid dreams, a shift in how you perceive the world. The more you dive into this, the closer you'll be to unlocking a transformative spiritual experience. And once the third eye begins to awaken, there's no telling how it can elevate your life, bringing wisdom, clarity, and peace. 2. Signs your third eye is awakening. If you've started noticing tingling between your brows or feel an unexplainable pull towards spiritual exploration, your pineal gland might be on the brink of awakening. These sensations, often subtle, are like whispers from within, suggesting you're ready to open your third eye. Many people report feeling a heightened sensitivity to energy, almost as if they can sense the hidden currents around them. This isn't just coincidence, it's a signal that your awareness is expanding, and your body is preparing for a deeper spiritual experience. When your pineal gland is active, everyday moments can begin to feel richer and more connected. Vivid dreams are another telltale sign that your third eye is stirring. When the pineal gland activates, many find that their dreams become more intense and meaningful, almost like vivid snapshots of a different reality. You may even experience flashes of insight that feel more like memories than dreams, giving you a sense that there's more to explore beyond the material world. This dreamscape may be where your third eye flexes its muscles, helping you process and interpret energy in ways the conscious mind cannot. These dream experiences aren't random, they're often messages or symbols that align with your journey. Beyond physical sensations and dreams, you may also notice an intuitive shift. Small details, coincidences, or flashes of knowing might start surfacing with increasing clarity, helping you connect the dots in ways that felt impossible before. It's as if a light has flicked on, illuminating parts of life that once seemed mundane or puzzling. Trust these shifts. They're not just random thoughts but subtle hints that you're moving into a heightened state of awareness. These signs are often the starting point, indicating that you're ready to explore further. So, if these experiences resonate, you're likely closer to tapping into your third eye's potential than you think. 3. Breathing techniques for activation. Breathing might seem simple, but it holds immense power when it comes to activating the third eye. By practicing certain techniques like Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing, you can start to energize and cleanse the pineal gland, opening the pathway to deeper awareness. This technique works by balancing the flow of energy through your body, releasing tension and increasing oxygen flow to the brain. Even just a few minutes of focused breathing can shift your mental state, preparing you to perceive things beyond the ordinary. Imagine each breath as a tool, polishing the window of your third eye and allowing light to seep through. A simple but powerful practice is breath retention, where you inhale deeply, hold, and then release slowly. Holding the breath gently stimulates the brain and calms the nervous system, allowing you to feel centered and present. With every exhale, imagine releasing doubts, clearing your mind, and making room for intuition to arise. Picture this practice like a reset button for the mind, helping you tune out distractions and tune into the subtle energy of the third eye. Try it yourself. Take a slow, deep breath, hold it, and let it go, feeling the gentle pull of awareness to that spot between your brows. You can start small, incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, perhaps just a few minutes each morning. Over time, you may notice subtle changes, a calmer mind, a sharper sense of intuition, even a tingling sensation that suggests the third eye is awakening. Breathing techniques are like keys, helping unlock the energy stored within the pineal gland and gently nudging it into activation. The more consistently you practice, the more you'll feel in sync with your intuition, guiding you closer to the mysteries waiting behind your third eye. 4. Guided meditation for instant activation. To open your third eye instantly, guided meditation is one of the most direct paths. Imagine yourself sitting in a quiet place, focusing on the space between your eyebrows, and slowly allowing your mind to drift inward. This isn't just ordinary relaxation, it's an intentional dive into your deeper self. Picture a soft indigo light glowing in that spot, growing brighter with each breath. As you continue to focus, you may begin to feel a sensation, a light tingling or warmth, signaling that you're connecting with the energy of the third eye. Even for beginners, this form of meditation can create a powerful shift in awareness. Visualization can elevate your meditation, taking it from simple calm to profound insight. By visualizing a beam of light piercing through your forehead, you're training your mind to awaken that dormant sense of perception. Repeat affirmations like, "I am open to deeper understanding," or "I see beyond the physical world," which can amplify the effect. These affirmations work like tuning forks, aligning your consciousness with your intuition. If you find it challenging to focus, try listening to soft music or specific frequencies designed for third eye activation. These tones can guide you into a meditative state, making it easier to experience the depth of your third eye's energy. For beginners, starting with a short, 5-minute practice is enough to feel a difference. You don't need to sit in meditation for hours, it's about the quality of your focus, not the quantity. Over time, as you deepen your practice, you may experience vivid colors, symbols, or even spontaneous insights. These are the subtle but powerful signs that your third eye is stirring. Every session builds upon the last, bringing you closer to a heightened awareness that can transform how you see the world. And as this awareness grows, it opens doors to parts of yourself you might never have explored. 5. Foods to decalcify the pineal gland. Decalcifying the pineal gland is crucial for keeping the third eye open and active, and your diet plays a significant role in this process. Many people don't realize that the pineal gland can become calcified over time, mainly due to factors like exposure to fluoride, processed foods, and environmental toxins. By incorporating specific foods into your routine, you can begin clearing away these blockages. Take raw cacao, for instance. It's not just a treat, it's packed with antioxidants that support pineal health and stimulate energy flow. Chlorella and spirulina, two potent superfoods, are also excellent choices as they help detoxify and clear heavy metals from your body. Herbs and supplements also have a powerful effect on the pineal gland, enhancing its function and promoting spiritual clarity. Turmeric is a standout here, known for its anti-inflammatory and decalcifying properties, especially when combined with black pepper to improve absorption. Gotu kola is another herb to consider. Traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine, it is said to rejuvenate brain cells and support mental clarity, key to a healthy third eye. For a quick addition to your daily routine, try apple cider vinegar. Just a small amount in water can help the body detoxify, making it easier to support the pineal gland's natural function. Adjusting your diet in these ways can feel like removing fog from a lens, allowing your third eye to operate more freely. Think of these foods and herbs as fuel for your spiritual journey. They don't just nourish the body but also help align your energies for deeper insight. Even if you're just getting started, introducing a few of these items into your daily meals can support third eye practices, heightening your awareness and connection to the world. With a bit of mindfulness in what you eat, you may find that your pineal gland is more responsive, making meditation and intuition exercises more effective. 6. Daily habits to strengthen your third eye. Keeping your third eye active goes beyond initial activation. It's a daily practice that gradually deepens your intuition and connection to higher awareness. Simple habits like sun gazing during safe hours, morning or sunset, allow natural light to nourish the pineal gland, enhancing its vitality and supporting clarity of perception. Spending time in nature also has a profound impact. The energy of plants, water, and fresh air helps reset your mind, grounding you while keeping your third eye in tune with the energies around you. Just taking a moment to appreciate a sunrise or a quiet walk in nature can work wonders. Another key practice is reducing exposure to toxins that interfere with the pineal gland, such as fluoride in drinking water. Opt for filtered water when possible and try switching to natural toothpastes. These small changes can accumulate, clearing physical blockages that may cloud the third eye. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for nurturing this connection. Reflect on dreams, insights, and intuitive moments. Writing things down reinforces your connection to the subconscious, helping you recognize patterns or messages that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's a simple way to keep track of your growth and experiences along your spiritual path. Over time, these daily practices form a lifestyle that supports and nurtures the third eye. By integrating mindfulness, minimizing toxins, and spending time in reflection, you create an environment that keeps your awareness sharp and your intuition alive. Each day, as you strengthen this connection, you may notice subtle but profound shifts in how you understand yourself and the world. You're building a foundation that goes beyond mere exercises. You're creating a life that invites insight, clarity, and purpose through an awakened third eye. Ready to see where it leads? Opening your third eye is more than just a journey into the unknown, it's a path to deeper self-understanding and awareness of the energies shaping your life. With the right daily practices, powerful breathing techniques, and nourishing foods, you're giving yourself every chance to connect with this inner vision. But now, ask yourself, how much of your life are you willing to transform? Are you ready to see beyond the physical and tap into the wisdom lying within? Don't stop here. Keep exploring, trying new practices, and observing the subtle changes in how you perceive the world. These experiences aren't just about spirituality, they're about embracing the fullest version of yourself. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's continue this journey together. There's always more to learn, more to see, and more to become. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.